Welcome back, beautiful people. We have another sneaker unboxing. Today we are looking at the Puma Deviate Nitro 3s. I do believe these have been out for a little bit. This is not like a revolutionary unboxing, but I will say they are the first plated running sneaker that I've ever worn and run in. I got the sneakers the other day. I went for a 5-mile run. And I have to say, I am impressed with how far Puma has gotten in running. Not only is the colorway beautiful and stands out on its own, from afar you see the Puma logo against the gradient orange to red. That is awesome. And as a runner, I feel like you want to wear something to kind of have high visibility or make you stand out, have that cool factor, and just the colorway alone does that. I think it's interesting how they have the massive Nitro logo printed kind of over both the midsole and the upper, and then the Puma logo on the upper on the outside of the foot. I'm really impressed with the Nitro foam. It's the first time wearing it. It has a lot of cushion and a lot of pop to it, which is great. The midsole also has a carbon plate inside of it, which gives you a lot of spring and push off and propulsion. It is primarily a marathon style sneaker. You should not be really wearing this every single day. I'm going to throw it in the mix with my other 4 running sneakers. I'm not going to wear these every single day. That's a personal choice. On the bottom, you have Puma grip, which, you know, right out of the box, I was like, putting it on the floor, and it's pretty tacky. It's obviously got its different pods. It's for weight relief, so just in the forefoot, just in the heel where you need it. On the upper, you have a really comfortable knit. And then on the tongue, what I noticed was they actually did this really interesting spacer mesh in between these 2 layers. And they have some padding in there as well, so when you lace up tight, it's not cutting into your foot or anything. So overall, the upper is incredibly comfortable. The one thing I will say is I am a 10.5. On 95% of brands, occasionally I'll go to an 11. These are probably a little bit tight in the forefoot. I probably should have gone up to an 11, but they fit snug. I think I just got to wear thin socks. I would probably wear an 11 in the future. But overall, I'm really stoked with these, and I love the design. So hats off and shout out to the Puma team and to Jeremy, who helped me out with getting a pair of these. Not sponsored by Puma, but I am stoked to have these in my rotation. Let me know what you think, and I will see you soon on the next sneaker unboxing.